If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you.
Hi, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share something that I always wanted since the time it was launched, and it is, you must have guessed by the title, it is Mridul Sharma's or Simba Lifestyle's 2022 planner and a 5-year journal. So if you must have seen my earlier vlog, मैंने 14th November को इसे ऑर्डर किया था and 14th November के बाद 15th November से उनका शिपिंग स्टार्ट हुआ and I received this planner by 20th November I guess, मतलब 4-5 days में I received the planner and the shipping was very quick. इस एक्साइटमेंट, ये प्लानर के एक्साइटमेंट में चक्कर, ये प्लानर के एक्साइटमेंट के चक्कर में मैं इंट्रो भूल गई करना. So yeah, if this is the first time you have come on to my channel, hi, I am Poonam. I make food, lifestyle and productivity content here on YouTube. So please take a moment and hit that subscribe button, and I promise you will have a great time here. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so you do not miss any updates. And with that, let's dive straight into the video.
As soon as you open the package, you get a thank you card and a pair of sticky notes. I must say the quality of sticky notes was good. You also get a travel size notebook. I really liked its cover and this brick wall. There are no lines in the notebook, so this gives us the freedom to do anything, to write your to-do list, your thoughts, or just doodle on it. Talking about the planner, I really like this Viro binding in it. It gives it a premium look. When you open the planner, you get a bookmark by Simba Lifestyle and some sticker sheets. The stickers here are very premium and of good quality. You can just paste it on your laptop, your mobile phone. These are the stickers which you can use it on your planner to mark a big day or if it's a birthday. Now that all the freebies are over, let's get into the planner. As soon as you open the first page, here you can write your name that this planner belongs to you. Now the next page of the planner has the name of people who have designed this planner. So this planner is totally hand drawn, and then here's a cute letter by Mridul and Aditya. Now this planner has a theme of different flowers. So each month is dedicated to a different flower. So my month was June, and June is dedicated to the beautiful rose. As we go further, here we have been allotted 2 pages for our vision board. So earlier I used to make vision board on a cardboard, but now that we have it in our planner, I can directly stick the visions on the planner and go through it every day. Then the next page has 2022 goals. It is very important to write your goals on a paper. This planner will help me go through my goals every day. Now the next page has goal setting and not to-do list. I really like this idea of goal setting because here we break down our goals into 5-year goal, 1-year goal and monthly goal. Then the next page has current me and future me. Now again, this is a very good idea to differentiate between what are you currently and what you will turn into in future. Then the next page is this year I will and my wish list. Now here you will write needs and your wants. Then this year I will start, quit, learn, try, visit, avoid, improve and achieve. You just need to write one line. Then on the next page is a period tracker, which is a must for every girl, because we ignore this and this leads to a really bad health. Next page has this yearly spread where you can mark your important dates, and then comes the actual planner. Now the painting here is hand drawn and it's so beautiful. Also, this planner is a very unique planner because this time they have added this idea where you have to write a letter to someone and you can dedicate it to someone and just tear this page and send it to them. Then we have monthly goals. We have a whole monthly spreadsheet. Then we have our daily planner. So they have given us ample of space to write the to-do list. Then after every month we have expense tracker and monthly budget, which is again a very essential part. Then we have a habit tracker and monthly checkup. Now this is after every month and that is so good. Then we have to buy list and we have 2 pages for that. And then we have the brain dump where you can write your thoughts, your ideas, or if you have been feeling down someday, you can just write it there. So I was just checking my month, that is June month. Then at the end we have photo dump where you can just take all the pictures of the whole year, and then we have 2022 favorites and 2022 reviews. So there are some questions which you can answer. Then at the end we have travel planner and then we have this worry jar where you can write all your worries and just dump it in this jar. Then at the end we have 2 pages of notes. These are the blank pages and 2 pages are lined pages. So again you have the freedom to write or doodle. The last page has this small pocket where you can store anything. And that's the end of this whole planner. I really like this planner overall. Now talking about the 5-year journal, I really like the hardbound and I think it will last for 5 years and it won't damage. Now as you open, for the record, my 5-year journal by Simba Lifestyle. Also you need to press on the pages to make it turn properly. Now again you can write your name that this record belongs to you. And here are some examples that how you can use this book, and a small letter. Then it starts with the questions January, February, March. Every month and every date has different question for you. So it will be really interesting to answer those questions and reflect yourself every year. Then the last pages have notes section where you can write anything that you want, and these are the lined pages.
So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you really did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what would you like to see next and which is your favorite 2022 planner, and we'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.